In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video as a background to a Wix website. It's a simple process that can add a lot of visual impact and make your site stand out. So let's dive in. First things first, let's open up your preferred internet browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this tutorial, but feel free to use any browser you're comfortable with. Navigate to the address bar at the top and type in wix.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the Wix homepage. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on that. If you haven't logged in already, this is the prompt for you to do so. For ease, you can click on continue with Google to automatically log in using your Google account. It's a quick step that saves you from having to remember another password. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Wix dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the Design Site option. Click on it to enter the Wix editor interface. The editor is where all the magic happens. It's user-friendly and provides you with all the tools to transform your website visually. Now that you're in the editor, you'll want to choose the section or strip on your site where you want to apply the background video. Click on that section to select it. Next, locate the option that says Change Background and click on it. This opens up a new menu designed for adjusting your background settings. In the background settings, you'll notice an option labeled Video. Click on Video to open up the video selection panel. Here's where you have the opportunity to get creative. Wix offers a collection of free videos for you to choose from. These range from calming nature scenes to bustling cityscapes. If you have a specific video in mind, click on Upload Media to use your own file. Just make sure your video is in the supported format to prevent any compatibility issues. Once you've picked a video, it's time to apply it. Click on Change Background to set it as your section's new background. It's nice to see your hard work in action. So the next step is to click on Preview at the top right of the screen. This gives you a chance to see how the video looks live on your site, ensuring everything plays smoothly and meets your satisfaction. Once you're happy with the outcome, it's time to make it official. Click on Publish to save your changes and showcase your website with its new dynamic video background to the world. And there you have it. A visually engaging background video is now part of your Wix website's visit experience. I hope this tutorial helped you add an extra dimension of creativity to your site. As always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy creating.